Good afternoon, everyone. This is Earl with the Roofing and Remodeling Company, and we're looking at this slate roof we did a little bit ago, and it's got valley repairs and everything like that. We're out in Newport News, by the way. Here's way out there is Naval Station Norfolk, way out there. You can see where we're at. And this is the 032 metal valleys we installed on the edge here. We did a couple of dormers. And again, this is going back, homeowner had a bunch of guys tar and everything. And we ended up fixing this with both the metal valleys. And we had some rains recently. A lot of rain. So we're talking inches per hour. 4 or 7 inches, depends upon who you talk to, and no leaks, which gave the homeowner a chance to finish his third floor ceilings, painted them, primed them, looks real nice, and you couldn't even tell where the leaks were. So, it's a little bit of slate, Buckingham slate. Alright. Well, also, by the way, if you kind of look over here and the older valley over here, so that's what the before would look like, and there's another the after, so it gives you an idea of what we're looking at. Okay, well, this is Earl with the Roofing and Remodeling Company. We'll talk to you soon, and looking at another slate repair, maybe some ridge capping, copper valley, copper pipe collars, all the good stuff. Alright, talk to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.